Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by selecting the languages and enabling the text-to-speech engine. Once you choose Target English, tap the speaker or voice settings to reveal accent options. Make sure your device uses Google TTS or compatible engine, otherwise you won't see alternate voices. If an accent drop-down appears, pick the variant you want, for example American, British, or Australian, and test a short phrase to confirm it sounds right before moving on. Now refine how the accent sounds by changing voice, speed, and pitch. You'll choose a specific voice in the accent family and set playback speed to slightly slower for clarity or faster for casual tone. Once done, paste representative phrases, questions, contractions, and connected speech to hear how the accent handles them. Make sure to compare the same sentence across voices. That contrast reveals pronunciation and rhythm differences you want to emulate or avoid. Finish by saving or memorizing your selected voice and testing longer passages for consistency. If the accent option disappears, update the Google Translate app, clear cache, or switch to Google TTS in device settings and retry. Make sure your region settings don't restrict voices. Change location settings if necessary. Finally, record output and compare to native samples so you can iterate. Adjust pitch or speed again, and repeat until the accent matches your target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.